Hi guys! In this lesson we are going to study radical rice, 米. This radical has only one form and it is used as a separate word and means rice. Now let's see how we write this radical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's look at its history. In the past we see that it was a picture on a stick with 6 grains of rice, and in time of course it was simplified, and nowadays it is so simplified that we see branches which remind us our another radical tree with 2 grains of rice. Rice is a very important part of Chinese culture, and this radical is used in a very interesting, unusual ways, unusual for us, for people who are from Western cultures. The first example, it's a word group, category, 类. We see here rice plus big. Let's say here in this word rice symbolizes something small from big. Again, it's something group or category, something big which consists of small parts, small things. That's why grain of rice is used here too. The second example, it's a very interesting way of using radical grain of rice. It's sperm, 茎. And again, a rice here is a symbol of a seed, and sperm of animals, of humans, it's a seed. And the third example, it's a word porridge, 粥. In this character, rice is in between 2 radicals, which means bow-shaped thing, and it's easy to guess that rice was put in bow-shaped thing, a special thing which helped to grind rice and then make porridge from it. And the next example, after eating porridge or anything, we usually produce it, humans or animals, it's shit, 屎. And again, we see rice here because rice is a common food in Asia, in China, and shit, is made from this consumed food. Plus, this character has another radical with the meaning dead body, corpse, and again rice becomes corpse after eating, and this corpse we call shit. And the last example, it's a word be blinded, 咪. In this case, our radical rice is used for sound, so that's why this character is read, 咪. And another radical you already maybe know, it's an I. So be blinded, I plus rice together mean be blinded. And of course you can also memorize this character. When you are blind, usually you can't see small things, for example, small things like grains of rice. You can use this association too. And now let's study examples in which our radical is used as a separate word. And of course, the first example you already know, it's rice, food, 米, 饭, rice, 米, 饭, food. Together they mean cooked rice. The next example, it's a word Milan, city in Italy, Milan. In this case, rice is used as a phonetic, as a sound for a foreign word. The next example, it's a word cream color, 米色, rice plus color together mean cream color. I suppose in our case, cream color we connect with cream, milk cream, made from milk, and in China they associate milk color with rice, because as you know, in China, especially in southern parts, people do not consume dairy products, dairy food. The next example, it's a word rice noodles, 米线, 米 rice, 线 thread, line. And again, noodles, they are things which remind us thread, thick thread or line. That's why together 米线 mean rice noodles. And the last cool example, it's a word for people who like trying different alcohol. It's rice wine, 米酒, 米 rice, 酒 alcohol. Together rice wine. Dear friends, please push this bell button, subscribe. It will remind you about our next class in which we're going to study radical field. 田，谢谢大家，再见。